Hello, students of class 9. Now I am going to start exercise 6.3. This exercise deals with geometric progression. The first question, exercise 6.3. See, in this set you see in the exercise, in first question there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions, but I will do only 2 of them because rest are similar as are of similar kinds. The working rule is of the same kind, so you can do it yourself. Similarly, in second set, I will do 2 questions from this set, and rest you have to do it yourself because it is similar to that I will do it for you. And from third questions, I will do the important selected questions. And the rest you have to do it yourself because those tough questions I will do here, and the rest of the questions you have to do it yourself. Now, the first question: in the following geometric progression, find the terms mentioned in the bracket. Also find the sum of each of them up to that term. That is you have to find the terms mentioned in the bracket. That means you have to, in this first question, you have to find the eighth term and also the sum. That means there are 2 questions in each set. In this question there are 2 questions. One, you have to find the nth term. The nth means 8th term, and other you have to find S8. 2 questions. So 1a 1 comma minus 2 4 dot 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 8 term. Therefore, A8 is equal to A r to the power of 8 minus 1, that is equal to A r to the power of 7. Here, your A is 1 and your r is minus 2 divided by 1, that is equal to minus 2. So, A8 is equal to 1 into 2 minus 2 to the power of 7, and your answer is minus 2 to the power of 7. And S8, this is equal to A 1 minus r to the power of 8 divided by 1 minus r. So A is your 1 minus r, it is your minus 2 to the power of 8, and 1 minus minus 2, so 1 minus 2 to the power of 8 by 1, this is 1 plus 2, 3. You can leave the answer here itself. Let us see what is the answer given in the back. They have solved the question, or they have only shown the term, not the sum. Find the sum of each. In first question, they have only shown the term. Therefore, so here you see the answer given is 1a minus 1 to 8. So minus 2 to the power of 7 is minus 1 to 8. But the sum, it is not given in your answer, and the sum comes out to be, if I solve it, the sum comes out to be this, because the sum formula is a 1 minus r to the power of n 1 minus r, sum comes out to be this. Now again I am doing the second question for you. The second question is, here I am showing the term. Here the second question is B, that is 1 minus 2 4, oh sorry, not minus, B 1 2 by 3 4 by 9 8 by 27 to 7th term. Here your A is equal to 1 and R is equal to 2 by 3 divided by 1, this is equal to 2 by 3. We have to find the 7th term, A7, AR to the power of 7 minus 1, AR to the power of 6, that is 1 into 2 by 3 to the power of 6. So your answer comes out to be 2 to the power of 6. I am taking the help of the calculator. 2 to the power of 6, it comes out to be 64. and 3 to the power of 6, 3 to the power of 6, it comes to be 729. So let us see the answer. The answer given is 64 divided by 729. This is your answer. So this is the second. Now I am going to the second set. The second, here it is given, you have to find the sum up to nth term of each of the following series. So this is an important question. 4 plus 44 plus 444 plus. In such type of question, you have the working procedure. You see here how to solve it, because you find that this is not in GP. So what we have to do, first of all, we'll take 4 common, 1 plus 11 plus 1, 1, 1 plus dot, dot, dot. Here it is given up to nth term. Up to nth term, that means up to nth term. This is up to nth term. Now, I am going to do 4 divided by 9 into 9, 1 plus 11 plus 1, 1, 1 plus dot, dot, dot. This is equal to 4 by 9. So 9 plus 99, 999 plus dot, dot, dot. Now, again, here a slight arrangement I have to make. 4 by 9. Instead of 9, I am going to write 9 minus 1. Instead of 99, instead of 999, and so on. Now, 4 by 9, this 10 plus 10 square, I am going to keep it on one side, and rest of minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 on the other side. Now see, you can see that now this is in geometric progression. Since in the question it is given up to nth term, therefore minus 1, minus 1 up to n. When you add minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 up to n terms, means n term, then this is equal to 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus dot, dot, dot. This will become minus n. Now you find that this is in GP, so we are going to take the help of GP formula, that is sum formula. So this will be equal to 4 by 9. Here your A is 10. This A is 10, and common ratio 10 square divided by 10, it is 10. So since it is greater than R, so 10 to the power of n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 minus n. Because your formula, Sn formula is A R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. So here 4 by 9, and this is 10 to the power of n minus 1 by 9 minus 9. You can leave the answer here itself. Let me see what they have done in your, what is the answer given here. The answer they have, they have made us, this is the arrangement. You open the bracket, 40 by 9 and 81, 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus 4n by 9. See, this is your answer, and this is the answer. So again, I am going to do D for you. D, that is 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27. Here, up to n terms, as the question it is given, up to n terms, up to nth term. So here also up to nth term, Here your A is your 1, and R is equal to 1 by 3 by 1. This is equal to 1 by 3. So Sn, this will be equal to A 1 minus R to the power of n by 1 minus R. 1 minus R, that is 1 by 3 to the power of n by 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power of n. Here 1 minus 1 by 3, it is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, which comes to be 3 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power of n. This is your answer. Let me check the answer. Your answer is, let me check the answer. D. The same answer, that's just they have done 3 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power of n. Same, this is the answer. You can see here, the answer is given here, and my answer is this. It's the same answer. Now, I am going to question number 3. The rest you can do it yourself. If you have any doubt, you can place in the comment section. Now, I am going to question number 3. What term of the sequence is this? What term? 4 minus 8, 16 minus 32 is 1024. Here your A is 4. Your R is minus 8 by 4, that is minus 2. And AN is 1024. You have to find n number of terms. So I am going to apply the formula AN is equal to A R to the power of n minus 1. This is 1024. A is your 4 minus 2 n minus 1. Now you divide this 1024 by 4. I am taking the help of the calculator, that is 1024 divided by 4. It comes out to be minus 2 to the power of n minus 1. It comes out to be 256 minus 2 to the power of n minus 1. I am going to do the prime factorization of 256. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 8, 264, 232, 2 1 are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 2 to the power of 8 is equal to minus 2 to the power of n minus 1. Since this power is even, I can write like this also, minus, because power is even, it will come positive, and minus 2 to the power of n minus 1. According to the indices rule, when base is same, your power is same. Therefore 8 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore 8 plus 9 is equal to n. This is your number of terms. This is your n. N is equal to 9. So you see the answer. Answer given here, a ninth term. N is equal to 9, ninth term. This is 9. Now I am going to question number this B. Here the question given is, in a GP, 6 term is 64 and 13 term is this, 8192, find its first term and the common ratio. That means A6, it is given to you, this is 64, and A13, that is given to 8192, this is given to you. You have to find the first term A and the common ratio. These two you have to find out. Now, see, A6, that means AR to the power of 5 is equal to 64. This is equation 1. A13, AR to the power of 12, that is equal to 8192. This is equation 2. Now, 2 divided by 1. This comes out to be 2 divided by 1. So, this comes out to be AR to the power of 12 by AR to the power of 5, 8192 divided by 64. Here AA cancels out, and 12 minus 5, your 12 minus 5, this comes out to be 7, R to the power of 7. Now when I divide 8192, when I divide by 64, it comes out to be 128. So 128 prime factorization, 264, 232, 26, 28, 24, 22. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. r to the power of 7 is equal to 2 to the power of 7. So I get r is equal to 2. Now I have to find a. So either in equation 1 or in equation 2, it is up to you. You can select any one of this equation, any one of this equation, and you put the value of r, you will get a. I am going to take equation 1. So from equation 1, ar to the power of 5 is equal to 64. Therefore this is r is your 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 64. So a is equal to 64 divided by 2 to the power of 5. Your prime factorization of 64 is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 to the power of 6 by 2 to the power of 5, you get 2. So here a is also 2 and r is also 2. Let me see the answer. Question number 3b. Question number 3b. See here, a is equal to r is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 and r is equal to 2. Now you can, I think so, you can do C and D yourself. This is not very tough. C and D you can do it yourself. Let me do this D for you. D for you. Question number D. The D, what is the geometric mean of this and this? So geometric mean is equal to root over product of the two numbers, that is a square minus 2a plus 1, 4a square minus 4a plus 1. See, this is the formula of a minus 1 the whole square, and this is the formula of 2a minus 1 the whole square. A square 4 minus 4a plus 1. So your a minus 1 to a minus 1. This is your answer. Let me see the answer. Here you see a minus 1 to a minus 1, a minus 1 to a minus 1. Now I am moving to question number 4. For first, sum of three consecutive terms of an AP is 39. And of this term, the second term is 6 more than the first term. Sum of three consecutive terms of an GP. That is, let the three consecutive terms, let the three consecutive terms be AR square. So sum of these three consecutive terms, a plus AR square is equal to 39. This is my equation 1. And the second term is 6 more than the first term. This is the second term is 6 more. That is AR is 6 plus A. So AR minus A is equal to 6. This is your equation 2. Now I am going to divide 1 divided by 2. What do we get? A plus AR square by AR minus A is equal to 39 by 6. Now A common, 1 plus R square. Here also A common, R minus 1 is equal to 39 by 6. A cancel out. Now 3, 2s are 6, 1, 3. So I am going to do cross multiplication. 1 plus R square is equal to 13 R minus 1. Now this becomes 2 plus 2R plus 2R square is equal to 13R minus 13. We bring all this to one side, to the left side. 2R square plus 2R plus 2 minus 13R plus 13 equal to 0. 2R square, this comes out to be your minus 11R, and plus 15 is equal to 0. I am going to do splitting the middle term. 2, 5, 15 is 30. So 2, 15, 3, 5. Now 5, 3 is 15. 2R square minus 6R plus 5R minus 5r plus 15 equal to 0. This 2r common, r minus 3 minus 5 common, r minus 3 equal to 0. 2r minus 5, r minus 3 equal to 0. 2r minus 5 equal to 0. Now implies that or r minus 3 equal to 0. If r is equal to 5 by 2 or r is equal to 3. I have got two values of r. Now what does the question says? Find the terms. So you have to find the value of a. We have to select either one or two, any one, but I am going to select 2, which will be easier for me. AR minus A is equal to 6. First of all, I am taking the value of 5 by 2. So A common, 5 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 6. Your A, this becomes 5 minus 2, 3 by 2 is equal to 6. So A will be equal to 6 into 2 by 3, 3 2s are, so A will be equal to 4. Here in this A is 4 and your R is 5 by 2. This is the first set. And for the second set, AR minus A is equal to 6. Here A common, I am going to take 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 6. So into 2 is equal to 6. And so A is equal to 6 by 2. This is equal to 3. So here R is equal to 3. So there are two sets. Therefore, I will get two sets of GP. For first set, your first set A is equal to 4 and R is equal to 5 by 2. First set AR square 4 into 5 by 2 and 4 into 5 by 2 the whole square. 2 to cancel out. So 4 10 again 4 into 25 by 4. So 4 10 25. This is your first set answer. And for the second set, A is equal to, for the second set, A is equal to 3, R is equal to 3. A equal to 3, R equal to 3. So AR square 3 into 3 and 3 into 3 square. So 3 9 27. This is your second set. Now let me see the answer. Question number 4. See, there are two sets. 3 9 27. 3 9 27 and second is 4 10 25. So here 4 10 25. Now I am going to question number 5. Question number 5. See, it is given here. ARL denotes the first term, the combination last term. Last term is nth term. Then find the sum S by using the following values. That is A equal to 27, R equal to 1 by 3 and L is equal to 1 by 3. L means last term, means nth term. This is or I can say AN is equal to 1 by 3. Now first of all I have to find out the number of terms. Therefore I am going to take the help of nth term formula, r to the power of n minus 1. So here 1 by 3 is your nth term. A is 27. Your r is 1 by 3 to the power of n minus 1. So 1 by 3 27 is equal to 1 by 3 n minus 1. So 1 by, this is 27 is 3 cube and 3, it comes to be 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 1 by 3 n minus 1. And so here 1 by 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 1 by 3 n minus 1. Base is same, so your power will be same. So 4 is equal to n minus 1. So 5 is equal to n. Here n comes out to be n 7. So I can now find the sum S5 that is equal to a 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r. So a is your 27, 1 minus r is 1 by 3, n is 5 by 1 minus your 1 by 3, this is as 5. So 27, 1 minus 1 by, I am taking the help of calculator, that is 3 to the power of 5, 3 to the power of 5, it comes out to be 243 by 243 by 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. Now 27, here LCM is 243 minus 1, that is 242 by 243 by 2 by 3 means 3 by 2. Now 243, 3 8s are 24, 3 1, and 27, 81 divided by 27, it comes out to be 3. So this is 3, and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So the sum comes to be 121 by 3. Let me see the answer. 6.3, question number 5. See, it is 121 by 3, and this is 121 by 3. This is the answer. Now, question number 2 is same as that, the procedure is same as question 1, so it is left to you. Now I am going to question number 6. This question number 6. Here you have to insert, 3 geometric means. 6a, you have to insert 3 geometric means. Minus 5 and minus 5 by 81. You have to insert 3 numbers of geometric means. Now your a is minus 5 and your b is minus 5 by 81. Now your G1, this is your formula is, which I have given you earlier. Your formula is G1, your formula I have given you. This is G1. A, B by A, 1 by n plus 1. G1, that is A, B by A, 1 by n plus 1. Similarly, G2, A, B by A, 2 by n plus 1, G3, A, B by A, 3 by n plus 1. Now, I am going to put the values. A is your minus 5, B, that is minus 5 by 81 by minus 5 to whole power 1, 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now, I am going to solve it. Minus 5, see here minus 5 cancels out because this is the main bar. So it comes to be 1 by 81 to the whole power 1 by 4. So it comes out to be minus 5, 81, that is prime factorization 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So 1 by 3 to the power of 4, 1 by 3 to the power of 4 to the whole power 1 by 4. So this comes out to be minus 5. This 4 cancels out and it is 1 by 3. Similarly, your second, this will be again minus 5 by 81 by minus 5. This is 2 by 4. Minus 5, now again 1 by 81 to the power of 2 by 4, this is 2 by 4, so minus 5, your 1 by 81, this is 2 by 4 means 1 by 2, so minus 5, and this is 81 means 9 square cancel out, so 1 by 9. So I can write this as minus 5 by 3 and this as minus 5 by 9. Now minus 5 minus 5 by 81 by minus 5, this will be 3 by 4, so this is equal to minus 5, 1 by 81, 3 by 4, this is equal to minus 5. I can write here 1 by 3 to the power of 4, 3 by 4, this 4 cancel out, so minus 5, 1 by 3 to the power of 3, so this will be minus 5, 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So my answer is minus 5 by 3, minus 5 by 9, and minus 5 by 27. Let me see the answer. Question number 6, 6.3 C. Minus 5 by 3, minus 5 by 9, minus 5 by 27. Minus 5 by 3, minus 5 by 9, minus 5 by 27. This is your answer. Now, I am going to question number 7 first. Find three unequal positive integers is ABC into ABC such that it is given that 2a, b and 8 are in AP, and A, B, C such that A, B, C are in GP. Find the unequal terms. You have to find A, B and C. Now see, since 2a comma b, this is b, comma 8 are in AP, therefore a minus 2 is equal to b minus a is equal to 8 minus b. Now let me do one thing, that is let me do a minus 2 is equal to b minus a. So here 2a minus b is equal to 2. This is equation 1. And next time I am selecting this and this. A minus 2 is equal to 8 minus b. Therefore a minus b is equal to 8 plus 2, 10. This is equation 2. Now I am going to take the help of elimination method to find out a and b. 2a minus b is equal to 2. A minus b is equal to 10. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now 1 minus 2. So minus plus minus. This cancels out. A is equal to minus 8. I have got a is equal to 8. Now putting the value of 8 in either equation 2 or 1 to find value of b. A minus b is equal to 10. So minus 8 minus b is equal to 10. So minus b is equal to 10 plus 8 is 18. So b is equal to minus 18. Now I have to find out the value of c, as a, b, c are in GP. Therefore b by a is equal to c by b. Now b square is equal to ac. Your b is minus 18 the whole square. Your a is, this is a, minus 8 into c. So here it is minus 18 b square. So 18 into 18, this will be positive by 8 minus 8 is equal to c 18. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So 81 minus 81 by 2 is your c. There is something mistake here, because it is 3 unequal positive integer. This is not an integer. There is some mistake. There is somewhere it is mistake. Acha, let me cancel this. I want to do it again for you. Let me cancel this, because here the question is given positive integers and I have got here this is not a positive integer. So let me do this question again for you. Let me do this question again for you. 7 first. 2a, b and 8 are in AP. Therefore, a minus 2 is equal to b minus a is equal to 8 minus b. ठीक है सर, 8 minus b. अच्छा. Now a minus 2 is equal to b minus a comes, if we bring this 2 here, this left side, so this will be 2a minus b and equal to 2. This is equation 1. And with again, let me take this and this, or this and this, whatever. Achha, let me take this and this. So a minus 2 is equal to 8 minus b. So here, what are, that is a plus b. 8 plus 2, a plus b is equal to 10. Let me show you. The earlier I made a mistake, that is minus b here. When it comes here, it will be plus. So this must be a plus b. Instead of a plus b, I have written a minus b. So the answer came wrong. So this is a plus b is equal to 10. This is equation 2. Now, by the help of elimination method, I am going to solve the value of a and b. A plus b is equal to 10. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So a plus b. So 1 plus 2. Here this minus b plus b cancels out, and this is 3a is equal to 12. Therefore a is equal to 4. Now I am going to put the value of a in equation 1 or 2. Let me select equation 2. So a plus b is equal to 10 from equation 2. Here a is 4. 4 plus b is equal to 10. So b is equal to, b comes out to be 10 minus 4. So b comes out to be 10 minus 4. This is 6. 10 minus 4. This is 6. Now your a, b, c are in GP. Therefore b by a is equal to c by b. So b square is equal to AC. Now your b is 6 square and your a is 4 into c. Therefore 36 by 4 is equal to c. 9 is equal to c. Therefore your answer is a is equal to 4, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 9. This is your answer. Let me check the answer. 7c. A is 469. This is your answer.